Hi everyone, today I'm gonna give you a quick overview on how to set up Airflow locally using Docker. There are multiple ways of doing it. One way of doing it is like going to their website and following a bunch of instructions and install Apache Airflow using pip. I prefer Docker because there is a zero setup required. It's just a matter of pulling the image from the Docker hub and you'll be ready to go with your web server up and running. First prerequisite is you obviously need Docker for Mac. So you can go to hub.docker.com and look for Docker Desktop for Mac. And then on the right side, you can see Get Docker that is highlighted in the blue. And click on that Get Docker button. Once you click on that, it will download a DMG file into your local. Once the file is downloaded, all you have to do is drag and drop into your applications. So let's wait for Docker to be copied into your applications. Okay, let's see if the Docker has actually been installed. Dash version. Okay, looks like the Docker has been installed. Let's go and check if there are any containers running. The command to do it is docker ps. As you can see, there are no containers running. So to check if you are able to pull any images, let's do a test for hello world. If you do docker run hello world, okay, you can see this is a hello from Docker. This message shows that your installation appears to be working. So now we have Docker. So let's pull the image for Apache Airflow. Let's pull the Docker image from the Docker Hub. So you can go here and search like Docker Airflow. And you will have multiple results because everybody will be pushing their images. And yeah, let me pick this one because it has like almost like 5 million downloads and it has like 187 stars. So if you go to this one, it will give you a command like copy this command docker pull this airflow and just the docker pull is complete. And you can see you can check for images like doing docker images. So you can see this is the latest version of image installed. Since you have the image downloaded, now let us create a running container. Okay, the command to create a Docker container is docker run -d -p, and let's map it to the port 8080. What the -d specify is you are running the container in the background, and -p means you are publishing the container's port to the host. So once you do that, sorry, I forgot the name of the image. So let's go back and get Docker images and grab the name, and let's run the Docker run for the web server. Okay, as you guys can see, the web server's container ID, and you can see if the container is running by using docker ps, and you can see you can grab the URL from that command and yeah, copy and paste it into your browser. Once that is done, you can see, yeah, this is the Airflow web UI. This is a kind of bummer for me. I kind of expected an example DAX to show it to you guys. That's okay. In the upcoming sessions, we'll see how to set up the DAG in the Airflow. But this is pretty much it. That is Airflow UI, how it looks like. Thank you guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. In the upcoming videos, we will see how to set up your first DAG. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe to Cloud Data Engineering. Thank you.